Tired of those pesky recurring charges eating away at your budget? You're not alone. We've all been there, that monthly streaming service you barely use, the gym membership gathering dust, or that online magazine you meant to cancel ages ago. Today, we're diving deep into the world of You Need a Budget, YNAB, and tackling a burning question: does YNAB actually cancel subscriptions for you? Let's find out. Now, YNAB is a powerful budgeting tool that helps you track every dollar, but it doesn't directly cancel subscriptions for you. Think of it this way: YNAB is the brain, the strategist. It gives you the insights and the power to take control of your spending. Here's how it works. YNAB helps you identify those sneaky subscriptions. You categorize every expense, including those recurring charges. Suddenly, that monthly coffee subscription isn't just a line item, it's a visual representation of where your money is going. YNAB encourages you to be intentional with your spending. It prompts you to ask yourself crucial questions. Do I really need this subscription? Is it providing value for the money? Can I find a cheaper alternative? Once you've identified the subscriptions you want to cancel, YNAB empowers you to take action. It's like your personal accountability partner. You can use the YNAB calendar to schedule those cancellation calls or create a to-do list within the app itself. And here's the best part: YNAB helps you track the impact of your cancellations. You'll see your budget breathe a sigh of relief as those recurring charges disappear. This visual feedback is incredibly motivating, keeping you on track to achieve your financial goals. So, while YNAB doesn't have a magic cancel subscription button, it provides you with the tools and the mindset to take control of your spending. By identifying and eliminating unnecessary subscriptions, you'll free up more money to save, invest, or simply enjoy the things that truly matter to you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.